Where are you going?
Good night, little fish.
Good night, little fish. Are you reading a story?
Yeah.
What are you reading about?
The fish.
Two fish. How you doing?
The.
No?
How you doing?
Do that again.
How you doing?
Look at me.
How you doing?
How you doing?
Daddy.
Eddie, look at the camera.
Kaya.
Kaya. Can you say hi, Nikki?
Hi, Nikki.
Say hi, Nikki.
Hi, Nikki.
Can you say get well soon?
Get well soon.
Can you say I miss you?
I missed you.
Yeah. Can you say I love you?
I love you.
Can you say hi, Uncle Mark?
Hi, Uncle Mark.
Hi, Auntie Ray Ray.
Hi, Auntie Ray.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa.
Hi, Auntie Karen.
Hi, Auntie
Can you
Kawan.
say I love you?
I love you.
I miss you.
I missed you.
Can you say Bebopalula?
Viva Palula!
Say shake your money maker.
Be money maker.
Hang on, you're way too close. Can you say, look at me one more time. How you doing?
Hold on.
Say it again. How you doing?
Hold on.
How you doing?
Hold on.
How you doing? Can you say no money, no honey?
No money.
Can you say, can you say hi, Nathan?
Hi, Nathan.
Hi, Gemma.
Hi, Dama.
Hi, Adam.
Hi, Adam.
Hi, Danielle.
Hi, Daniel.
Hi, Luna.
Hi, Luna.
Hi, Brody. How you doing? Can you say hi, Tom?
Hi, Tom.
Can you say shake your money maker?
Hey, your money maker.
Can you say paparazzi?
Papa, what's here?
Can you say anarchy in the UK?
I'm okay in the UK.